And we're here at a Metro West parking garage just outside of Boston doing a full parking garage restoration. The garage is constructed of double T beams with a topping slab, and they're 12 feet wide and 60 feet long. And in between each one is a sealant joint. It's what keeps all the water out of the garage, and obviously we know that water is bad to concrete, so if you can keep the water out, your garage and your facility will last a lot longer. Sealant is only good for 7 to 10 years, and this garage is up for replacement of the sealant. We're on step 1 of replacing the sealant, which is removing all the sealant. The way we're doing that is with what we call a hydro blaster machine. It's gonna blast out the joints using high pressure air and water, and also clean the joint at the same time. So the material you saw going by there is the backer rod, which is a foam that we stuff into the joints that fills the hole, and then we put the sealant over top of it. It's a 2-part polyurethane self-leveling sealant that goes back in the joint. So after we install the sealant, this garage will be in pretty good shape for the next 7 to 12 years.